Hi friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought paneer veg grilled sandwich. It is a very tasty recipe and a crispy recipe. Also the inner filling of this sandwich is very nice. I made this recipe with brown bread. If you want you can make this recipe with any normal bread. You know that another bread made with the all-purpose flour, but the brown bread made with wheat flour. Wheat flour is very healthy for our health. There is no digest problem if you made this recipe with the brown bread. Also, if you made any dieting, it is very helpful for you because you can eat this into your diet. If you want, you can make this recipe in the afternoon time, also in the morning time in breakfast. Also, you can make this recipe for your kids for tiffin. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So let's go and see how it is made. For making this tasty recipe, first I take brown bread. After that I take boiled potato. Then I take sliced cucumber. Then I take sliced tomato. After that I take mayonnaise. Then I take butter. After that I take chopped paneer. You can see the size of the paneer. You have to chop like this. Then I take chopped ginger and green chili. After that I take salt and turmeric powder. Now I take a bowl and mash the boiled potato with a glass or a pot. You can see you have to smash the potato like this. Now I give rest of the potato and smashed it very nicely. You can see I smashed all the potato very nicely with the glass. Now I take a kadai and give some oil into it. After that I give the paneer into this. Before give the paneer into the oil, I mix some salt with the paneer. Now I fried all the paneer till it become brown. You can see our all paneer become golden brown. You can see it. Now I will put down on a plate. After put down all the paneer on same kadai, I give the chopped ginger into this. After that I will give the chopped green chili into this. Now I will give the smashed potato into the kadai. After giving all the potato, now I give the turmeric powder and salt into it. After giving it, now I will mix the potato with the turmeric powder and salt very nicely. Now I will fry the potato till it become brown. You can see our all potato fried very nicely and color become golden brown. Now I will put it down on a plate. Now I made the sandwich with the potato filling. For this first I take a brown bread. Now I put the mayonnaise on the bread very nicely. You can see how to give the mayonnaise on the bread. You have to give the mayonnaise on the bread with any spoon or any knife. After give the mayonnaise on the bread, now I give the potato filling into it. You can see how to give the potato filling on the bread. You have to give the potato into the bread like this and you have to spread it like this. You can see it. After spread all the potato like this, now I will give the paneer into it. You have to give some paneer above it like this on the potato mixture. Now I take another brown bread and give the mayonnaise into it like before. You can see how to give it. After mixing it very nicely, now I will put this bread above that another bread. Like this, now I will make all the sandwiches. You can see here I made 5 sandwiches. Now I will grill all the sandwiches very nicely. Now I will preheat a griller very nicely. After that I will give the melted butter above it. I put this ball above a burner and melt it. I grease the butter very nicely. You can see it. Now I will give 2 sandwich into this. Like this you have to give two sandwich into it. Now I give the melted butter above these both sandwiches. Like this you have to give the butter above it. Now I will grill these both sandwich for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes you can see our sandwiches grilled very nicely. Now I will put both sandwich on a plate. Like this I will grill all the sandwiches very nicely and come back shortly. So friends, our today's recipe paneer veg grilled sandwiches is ready to serve. You can see it looks very delicious and crispy. Now I cut one sandwich and show you the inner filling of the sandwich. You can see it looks very crispy. You can try this sandwich with the cucumber and tomato. Also you can put the cucumber and tomato above it and serve it. Also you can serve this recipe with the tomato sauce. Friends, you can see the inner filling of this sandwich very nicely. You can see the paneer also. So friends, please try it at home and comments me how tasty it is. Also like and share this video to your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.